Happy birthday! It's a great day.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm sharing a makeup look with this NYX professional products, and it is NYX birthday, 3 years. Happy birthday to you, NYX. So I'm going to use 3 products over here, that is which I got from NYX Professional. The first one I'm using is this NYX Professional palette, which the palette name is Rustic Antique. The price of this is 1500, but now on Nykaa it is 15% off going on, that is 1275 rupees. So they also have 3 other more the palette, so I will definitely share the link in my description box. The second palette is Golden Hour and the third palette is Olive You. So I'm using the Rustic Antique palette now. I will be also sharing my coupon code. If you use this coupon code on Nykaa.com, you will also get 10% discount on all your the total amount. You'll get 10% discount. So definitely go ahead and shop more of NYX products on Nykaa.com and avail the 10% offer. And all the products what I'm using it here and more of NYX Professional products, I will be sharing the link in my description box. Do that out as well. The next I'm using here is from NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So this is very long lasting. It stays your makeup long time. Like if you apply morning and spray it till night, your makeup will remain the same, so it will not change at all, nor it will fade away. So this is very nice. I've been using this many times. So I use this on my brush to get that shimmer on my eye look, and you can also use this in many other ways. So I'm using the highlighter from this palette. There is 2 shades, one is in golden and one is in the creamish highlight shimmery shade. So you can use from the palette itself. So I'm highlighting my cheekbones and my forehead, my my upper lips, the cupid bows what you say, and your chin. I am just highlighting overall from this highlighting the shade from the palette itself. The next one I'm using is from NYX, that is Soft Matte Lip Cream, and the shade is Budapest. So this is a beautiful mauvey pink shade, and I will be sharing the link in my description box. There are more beautiful shades as well. You can check that out from the link which is in my description box.
and share this video to all your friends and family. Also follow me on Instagram, and that's my ID, that's just chill my dog. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.